Wahai Ananda Pandji Nur Ikhwan bin Ikhwan, saya nikahkan engkau dengan anak kandung saya yang bernama Oki Fauzil Jakina dengan mas kawinnya seperangkat alat sholat tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Oki Fauzil Jakina binti Samsudari dengan mas kawinnya seperangkat alat sholat tunai.
I couldn't see the sea view. We were lost in our shoes. Walls breaking down before you. Fear of the sight reminds you now that I know that I never seem to show. Fear that I slow down. And if I am your child, then why should the slightest of fear overcome my life?
Selamat hidup baru. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah dan warahmah.
To you. Brave me that I'll begin to stand up above in your shoes. Doors open up before you, fearless enough to thank you now that I know that I never seem to slow down. And if I am your child, then why should the slightest of fear overcome